Good morning and Jai Hind dear students. Welcome to biology class. Children, as you know that we were doing the chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. Okay. Children, you know that there are several processes that are taking place in our body now and then. Alright. Like breathing, like feeling hungry, feeling anger, very anxious. So there are several processes taking and several feelings that comes to us every now and then. All right. So there are certain processes in our body that are controlled by the nervous system. Nervous system is the system that is present in the brain. All right. So there are certain processes that is controlled by nervous system, but there are also some processes which nervous system cannot control. So for that we require endocrine system. Okay. Like for example, we breathe. So this breathing is controlled by nervous system, whereas the movement of body, like if we are moving the hand, if I am just that is a reflex action कि अगर आपको कोई चीज prick कर गई या आपको कोई गरम utensil मिल गया तो like you instantly withdraw your hand, you instantly remove your hand from there. All right. So all these actions are controlled by nervous system because the moment you are going to perform the activity, the signal will be passed to the nervous system and hence you will do the reaction. All right. So this is controlled by nervous system like body movement and breathing and the feeling of hungriness is everything is controlled by nervous system. But there are certain slower processes that are taking place in our body like growth, development, reproductive organs, anxiousness, anger. So all these things nervous system cannot control. It requires another system which is called endocrine system. All right. So endocrine system, what is the speciality of endocrine system is endocrine system works by a chemical substance called hormone. Okay, so I'll just explain it to you once again. Just see to it, this we have talked in the previous class, all these things endocrine gland we have talked in the previous class. So before this I would just like to give you a gist once again that if we are talking about nervous system and endocrine system. So what is the basic difference between nervous system and endocrine system is, in case of nervous system, what happens, like take for example कि हमें भूख लगी है, तो जब भी हमें भूख लगी या हम कोई बहुत टेस्टी चीज देख रहे हैं अपने सामने तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा सलाइवा सिक्रीट होने लगता है. ओके, सो दिस इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय नर्वस सिस्टम. कैसे होता है? The moment we see any tasty food, instantly the signal is passed to brain. All right. Now this brain, or we can say the nervous system, will send a signal to saliva or salivary gland. ठीक. अब इस salivary gland से जब signal pass होगा इसमें तो यहां से secrete होगा saliva with the help of a duct. What is duct? Duct is nothing but a small tube like structure. ठीक है, duct एक small pipe जैसा होता है जहां से saliva secrete होगा from the salivary gland. Okay, but this is not the case with endocrine system. In endocrine system what happens here, duct is not available. This tube like structure or a small pipe is not available. That is why first of all it is called ductless gland. What it is called? ductless gland. And what is gland? Gland is a mass of cell, यानी कि बहुत सारी cell, they are clubbed together and it forms gland which performs certain function. What is the main function of gland? Gland has a function to secrete a chemical substance. It secretes a chemical substance called hormone. All right, clear? And this hormone, it gets dissolved in blood. ब्लड में डिसॉल्व हो रहा है, इसलिए यहां पे हम टर्म यूज कर रहे हैं एंडो. ठीक है, एंडो का मतलब होता है ब्लड. क्लियर? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन नर्वस सिस्टम एंड एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम. कि नर्वस सिस्टम में डक्ट होता है, whereas in endocrine system it is ductless gland. Gland का मतलब होता है it is a mass of cell which secretes a chemical substance. That chemical substance is known as hormone, and these hormones are dissolved in blood, and with the help of blood it reaches the target organ, or we can say the target cell. Getting it? So this is nervous system and endocrine system. So there are several things that are included in the endocrine system. Okay, starting from the pituitary gland to thyroid gland, then adrenal gland, then pancreas, then ovary, testes. All these glands are included in endocrine system, and all these glands secretes a hormone, a specific hormone which performs a specific function. Okay, I'll again explain it to you from the starting from the testes. So testis is the male reproductive organ. Testis is male reproductive organ which secretes the hormone called testosterone. It secretes the hormone called testosterone. All right, and this testosterone is responsible for the production of sperm. Getting it? In case of male, whereas in case of female we have ovary. All right, now this ovary secretes the hormone called estrogen. It is called estrogen and also progesterone. All right, so it secretes two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, which is responsible for the development and growth of female reproductive organ and also the release of ova. All right, so ovary secretes estrogen and progesterone, testes secrete testosterone. Getting it? थोड़ा सा ऊपर आते हैं किडनी के पास. किडनी के ऊपर एक ग्लैंड प्रेजेंट होता है which is called adrenal gland. कौन सा ग्लैंड बोलते हैं इसको? एड्रिनल ग्लैंड. एड्रिनल ग्लैंड हार्मोन रिलीज करता है which is called एड्रेनालिन. कौन सा हार्मोन सिक्रीट करता है? एड्रेनालिन. All right, now these hormone helps in controlling the anger and afraidness. क्या होता है कि this hormone provides energy. जैसे ही एड्रेनालिन सिक्रीट होगा, ग्लूकोज का प्रोडक्शन हमारी बॉडी में बढ़ जाता है, and we know that glucose provides us energy. So as adrenaline is released, the production of glucose increases and the energy increases. Okay, तो जब आप कोई भी बहुत ऐसी डरावनी सी चीज देखते हो ना, जैसे छिपकली देख लिया, छिपकली बहुत डरावनी होती है ना, छिपकली देख लिया तो आपको क्या करना, या छिपकली छोड़ो, छिपकली देख के भागोगे नहीं, या ये मान लो कि आपने कोई बहुत स्नेक देख लिया, ठीक है, स्नेक है, आपने स्नेक देख लिया, तो आप क्या करोगे कि इधर You will be afraid and sit idle and fight with that, or you will run away. In both the cases you require energy. उसको मारने के लिए भी आपको एनर्जी चाहिए और उससे भागने के लिए भी आपको एनर्जी चाहिए. So adrenal helps in releasing the glucose and it increases the energy and helps in either either fight with it or just run off. Okay, so this is the function of adrenaline in our body, which is released from the gland called adrenal gland, which is present above the kidney. Now थोड़ा सा और ऊपर आते हैं neck region में. Here we have a thyroid gland. Which gland? We have thyroid gland. Thyroid gland release the hormone called thyroxine. कौन सा हार्मोन सिक्रीट करता है? Thyroxine. And thyroxine is the hormone which helps in the growth and development of the body. ठीक है, हाइट कितनी इंक्रीज हो रही है, फैट कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है, मसल्स कितने ग्रो कर रहे हैं, इन सारी चीजों को कंट्रोल करता है thyroxine, which is released from thyroid gland. See, these are the similar sounding words: adrenaline, adrenal, adrenaline, thyroid, thyroxine. तो इसमें आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए कि कौन से ग्लैंड से कौन सा हार्मोन रिलीज हो रहा है. ठीक, थायराइड क्या करता है? थायराइड ग्लैंड थायरॉक्सिन रिलीज करता है. थायरॉक्सिन किस में हेल्प करता है? ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट में. ओके, नाउ थोड़ा सा और ऊपर आइए, विच इज पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. एंड दिस इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट ग्लैंड. दिस पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इज प्रेजेंट नियर द in the lower lobe of brain. It is present in the lower lobe of the brain. It is also called master gland. इसको मास्टर ग्लैंड हम क्यों कहते हैं? सबसे पहले ये समझिएगा कि ये हमारे ब्रेन में है, तो ये सारी चीजों को कंट्रोल करेगा. तो जितने भी हार्मोन रिलीज हो रहे हैं, जैसे कि ग्रोथ हार्मोन which is called GH, it is controlled by pituitary gland. थायराइड का ये जो ग्लैंड है, मतलब ये थायराइड ग्लैंड है, ये थायरॉक्सिन सिक्रीट कर रहा है, तो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इसको ऑर्डर देता है कि अब तुम थायरॉक्सिन रिलीज कर सकते हो. Are you getting my point? That is why this pituitary gland is called master gland, because it is behaving like a master. It will send a signal to the thyroid gland for the secretion of thyroxine. Clear? So which signal it sends? It sends TSH, which is called thyroid stimulating hormone. ये क्या करेगा? थायराइड ग्लैंड को स्टिमुलेट करेगा टू रिलीज थायरॉक्सिन. गेटिंग इट? एंड ऑल्सो अदर ग्लैंड्स लाइक टेस्टोस्टेरोन, like estrogen and progesterone. All these hormones, all these reproductive hormones are also controlled by pituitary gland. So all the glands present over here first gets the signal from the pituitary gland. So सबसे पहले pituitary gland इन सबको सिग्नल देता है, उसके बाद जाके ये अपना अपना हार्मोन रिलीज करते हैं और टारगेट सेल पे जाके अटैक करते हैं. So that is why it is called master gland. Clear? This is, children, very 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 important. So all these things are clubbed together and called endocrine gland. Endocrine gland is also known as ductless gland because it don't have duct. Children, this table is very important. So let's see. Let's talk about let's see one by one all the glands and hormones and their functions. So first let's talk about adrenal gland. Adrenal gland कहाँ present होता है बेटा? Think over it. Adrenal gland कहाँ present होता है? It is present above kidney. ठीक है, ये किडनी है, इसके ऊपर प्रेजेंट होगा एड्रिनल ग्लैंड. Which hormone it secretes? It secretes adrenaline. What is the function of this? Increase the heartbeat and blood pressure. ये ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ा देता है और हार्ट बीट बढ़ा देता है जब भी डर लगती है. ठीक है, कोई चीज डर लग रही है तो हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाती है, ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है. सो इट इंक्रीजेस द हार्ट बीट एंड ब्लड प्रेशर and releases glucose and other substance that provide instant energy, either to fight or flight. Flight means bhag jana, either to flight or fight. So it is also called fight and flight hormone. Okay, am I clear to you, children? That adrenal gland secretes adrenaline. It increases the heartbeat and BP, and it releases the glucose and other substances that provide instant energy, either to fight or to flight. Clear? This is adrenal gland. Now coming on to pancreas. Pancreas, children, are present below the stomach region. It is a leaf-like structure. Okay, pancreas are the leaf-like structure present below the stomach region. Okay, or we can say duodenum region, and it secretes a hormone called insulin. कौन सा हार्मोन secrete करता है ये? Insulin. ओके, इंसुलिन क्या करता है? इंसुलिन हमारी बॉडी में शुगर लेवल को कंट्रोल करता है. बेसिकली जब डायबिटीज हो जाती है, तो डायबिटीज किसकी वजह से होती है? डायबिटीज हो जाती है जब हमारी बॉडी में शुगर लेवल मेंटेन्ड नहीं होता, तब डायबिटीज होता है. Okay, and there are several types of diabetes, so I'm not going deep into it. So generally the diabetic patient take the injection of insulin to maintain the blood sugar level, to maintain or regulate the blood sugar level. All right, so pancreas releases the hormone called insulin. Insulin helps in the regulation of blood sugar level. All right, and it also acts as one of the uh, enzyme or one of the hormone for digestive system by secreting pancreatic juice. तो pancreatic juice जो ये secrete करता है pancreas, it helps in the process of digestion. Getting it? So this is pancreas. Now coming on to thyroid gland. Children, thyroid gland is present near the neck region. यहाँ पे present होता है हमारे thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is a bit dumbbell-like structure. ये अगर आपकी neck है, so it is a bit, we can say, butterfly or a bundle-like, dumbbell-like structure. ठीक है, ये आपके यहाँ पे दोनों साइड में प्रेजेंट होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड थायराइड ग्लैंड. थायराइड ग्लैंड secretes the hormone called thyroxine. Okay, and it helps in the growth and development of the body. Clear? Next, coming on to ovary, which is, these two are the reproductive glands. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Reproductive glands. All right, ovary and testis. Ovary is a female reproductive gland and testis is a male reproductive gland. So ovary secretes a hormone called estrogen and also progesterone. All right, and it helps in controlling the sexual characteristics. Sexual characteristic as in the growth of hair, the the growth of hair and the growth of mammary glands and everything is controlled by the estrogen that is released from ovary. Okay, then testis is a male reproductive organ. It releases the hormone called testosterone. Testis, testosterone, similar sounding words हैं. Testis, testosterone. Okay, ये याद रखिएगा. It also controls the sexual characteristics in male. Okay, so these are the two reproductive glands. Now coming on to the next, that is pituitary gland, also known as master gland. Why it is known as master gland? Because it controls all other glands. Okay, growth hormone, it secretes growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, that is TSH, testosterone, estrogen, progesterone. All these things are controlled by pituitary gland. So pituitary gland controls the functioning of all other hormones. Getting it? So these are different types of glands, hormones, and their function. This table is, children, very important. You should know it. Okay, so now let's see what is written in the chapter. Let's quickly go to that. So please open this page, children. Open this page. Okay, so I'm starting from here. Okay, you can see the figure. ये देखो यहाँ पे pituitary gland है. This is pituitary gland. Then we have thyroid and parathyroid gland. Then we have pancreas, leaf-like structure present below the stomach. Then we have adrenal gland present above the kidney. Then we have ovaries in female and testes in male. Okay. Now, the two adrenal glands located just above the kidney. दो kidney है तो दो adrenal glands होंगे. It releases the hormone called adrenaline. I am going a bit faster because मैंने already explained कर दिया है. Now, when a person is angry or afraid, adrenaline causes increase in the heartbeat and blood pressure, releases the glucose and other substances that provide instant energy. It thus prepares the body for fight or flight reaction. That is, it prepares the body to fight or to run away from the dangerous situation. Is it clear? जब भी डर लगे या गुस्सा आ रहा है तो एड्रेनलिन क्या करता है, हमारी बॉडी में ग्लूकोज का लेवल बढ़ा देगा, हार्ट बीट बढ़ा देगा, ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ा देगा और हमें ग्लूकोज बढ़ा के इंस्टेंट एनर्जी देगा, ईदर टू रन अवे और टू फाइट विद दैट सिचुएशन. ओके, नाउ then we have pancreas releases a hormone called insulin which regulates the amount of sugar in the body, and also digestive system, it secretes a pancreatic juice. All right, so this also we have talked about. Now coming on to thyroid gland, it produces the hormone called thyroxine and affects the growth and development. Okay, then we have ovaries, is present in female, releases the sex hormone called estrogen. Testis releases testosterone and controls the secondary or controls the sexual characteristic. Okay, then we coming on to pituitary gland, controls the water balance, growth, and also release other hormones like growth hormone, stimulates growth and development. Thyroid stimulating hormone activates the thyroid gland to produce thyroxine, and other glands like testis stimulates testis, ovary for testosterone, estrogen, progesterone. All right, hence it is also called master gland. So children, this everything we have covered and you need to know all these things. Now coming on to next topic, that is puberty and adolescence. What is puberty and what is adolescence? Children, the age of 11 to 18 to 19 years, this duration is called the adolescence age, where several hormonal changes takes place in our body and a boy and a girl starts to get activate for the reproduction. All right, so this age is called adolescence age, and the start of this period, the onset of this adolescence, when when the body is prepared for the reproduction, when the body is capable of reproduction, this stage of life is known as puberty. Okay, so let's see. The stage of life when the body becomes capable of reproduction is known as puberty. Okay, it is normally 11 to 16 years in boys and 10 to 15 years in girls. Okay, it may vary from a person to person. So when a child reaches puberty, he or she becomes adult. Adolescent लिखा है, which is adult. The period of transition from child to an adult is known as adolescence. Okay, so this period of conversion of from a child to the adult is known as adolescence. And when you are called adult, when you are, your body is capable to reproduce. All right, so then it is said to be adolescence. It continues till 18 to 19 years, and after that your growth stops. All right, and the adolescence age stops. Okay, so it continues till the age of 18 and 19, after which there is no further growth in the body. During adolescence, the endocrine produces hormone that causes changes in the body. During this age of your, like from 11 to 16 to 18 years, is time duration may these hormones get most activated and they perform their specific function. All right, they are most activated at this time. And children, that is why it is said that this is the age जब या तो आप बिगड़ सकते हो या तो आप बहुत अच्छे बन सकते हो, because several changes takes place during this age, from your brain to your all the parts of the body. Several changes takes place, like your intellectual mind also increases, your anger also increases, everything, every feeling is increases. It's up to you that what you are going to choose. Okay, at this stage you should take a decision. all right, यहीं पे बच्चे बिगड़ते हैं और बनते हैं. Okay, now these changes mark the beginning of body journey and becoming an adult. Okay, so there are several changes that takes place during the puberty. Okay, during the onset of the puberty. Onset of the puberty मतलब puberty शुरू होने के time there are several changes that takes place in our body, especially these reproductive hormones, that is testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, it becomes activated. All right, ये सारे hormones active हो जाते हैं. Okay, which starts to form sperm, and in case of female it starts to release ova. Okay, so in boys the male hormone testosterone begin to released by the testes. This causes sex organ like testis and penis to develop completely and testes to start producing sperm. So at this stage, testosterone gets activated and the complete organ is developed and it starts to produce sperm. Okay. In girls, ovaries start to produce female hormone like estrogen and progesterone, and results in the ovaries enlarge and start releasing egg. Okay. These are called secondary sexual characteristics. Getting it? So there are several changes that are taking place in our body, like increase in height. During the age of adolescence, during the age of puberty, instant increase in height take place. इस टाइम पे हाइट बहुत जल्दी बढ़ती है. ठीक है, स्पेशली द बोन्स ऑफ योर आर्म्स एंड लेग्स, वो बहुत जल्दी बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, so that is why it is said that you should take a proper nutritive diet during these puberty age. आपको कैल्शियम ज्यादा खाना चाहिए, दूध पीना चाहिए. You should take more of the calcium things. Okay, so that your bone becomes stronger and your height increases at a great height. Okay, so this same thing is written in this paragraph. I'm not going into it. Okay, so this is important here कि एक एज के बाद 18 to 19 years के बाद हाइट रुक जाती है, उसके बाद हाइट नहीं बढ़ती है. एंड द ग्रोथ ऑफ हाइट चिल्ड्रन इज प्राइमरली इट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय जीन्स. ठीक है, ऐसा होता है कि आपके पेरेंट्स की हाइट क्या है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है आपकी हाइट. ठीक है, तो ये एक जेनेटिक करेक्टर है विच इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय जीन्स. हॉर्मोन्स ओनली कंट्रोल्स हाउ द हाइट विल इंक्रीज. हॉर्मोन्स ये नहीं बताता है कि आपकी कितनी हाइट बढ़ेगी. हॉर्मोन सिर्फ क्या करता है, वो कैसे हाइट बढ़ेगी ये डिसाइड करता है. वेयर एज जीन्स डिसाइड कि आपकी हाइट कितनी बढ़ेगी. Getting it? So that is why we should take a correct nutritive diet and everything. So this you should know. So children, there is increase in height, then changes in the body shape. Okay, so everything we'll talk about in the next class, that is change in the body shape, development of the hair, voice changes, then activity of sweat and oil glands, then changes in behavior and attitude and a sexual feeling. So these are the changes that takes place during the onset of puberty. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Hope you have understood it. Okay, if not, you can ask in the group, children. So we'll continue with this chapter in the next class. So that's all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind, children.